What's up, guys? Welcome to Pick It Built. Let's unbox these coilovers and check them out. Alright, let's get these opened up, and the first thing I've noticed as I've been unboxing these is the packaging is pretty impressive. Now, we've got a box inside of a box, and so it's double packaged for additional safety, I guess, and just that's a good sign of quality. So here we go. Oh! Alright, very impressive on the packaging. So as we're looking inside of the packaging here, each coilover is individually packaged. Looks like plenty of protection around all of it, on top of the additional double boxing. So that's a real good sign of quality. I like that. Alright, let's pull one out and take a look at it here. My initial impressions are very good. The weight, the look, the quality is just looks professional, and I'm super impressed at everything I'm seeing so far. Alright, making my decisions even better. Let's talk about the reasons I chose these coilovers over any other is, first of all, it was just the cost. I was looking at buying the full assemblies. Of course, these are weld-on, and since I've got a welder, I figure I could tackle that, versus the cost of the ones that come fully assembled. You know, we're looking at almost $800 to $1,000 difference in cost. So for a coilover that's going to give me equal performance and can save me almost $1,000, that seems like a no-brainer to me, especially since we've got a welder. I also wanted to show you guys this right here. A lot of the coilovers I looked at don't come with the spanner wrenches. You have to buy that separately, and so these come with the spanner wrenches as well, and so that's another plus. So it also looks like this is for the rear. Actually, I got that backwards. These are for the front and these are for the rear. Alright, little difference there in height. But I was looking at the T3 Techno Toy Tuning coilover kit, the ground control kit, and I thought about that really hard because I know they make quality products, but from a price perspective, I just couldn't justify the additional cost on that. And since these have a fully adjustable ride height, so I can get my ride height exactly where I want. I mean, these are sitting too high right now. I definitely want to lower that stance down and get my ride height right. And with lowering springs, I just didn't want to take the chance on going that route, spending money on lowering springs and the ride height not be exactly where I want it. And so I wanted full adjustability. And also, these come with, if you look real close here, I'll bring the camera in. If you look real close here, on the top of these coilovers, it has this built-in camber plate, and the camber adjustments are built in, and so you don't have to weld on separate camber plates that cost additional money as well. Also, it's got this little turn knob here with so you can make your adjustments on your ride quality, from the softest setting to 30 ways adjustments all the way to the hardest setting, and softest being softer than stock all the way to the stiffest setting for full race capabilities. With these camber adjustments, I can also lower the car and still get my angles right on all my suspension and steering and all that, which I really like. So if you look at the bottom here where you're welding on, it's already got this notched out. And I've noticed on some of the other brands, Arizona Z, with their suspension, I've noticed that people have to cut this out. And this has already got it pre-cut for you, which just another attention to detail that I really like. Alright, once again, this is the BC Racing Coilovers, the BR series, and they're going to go on this. This is a 77 Datsun 280Z. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.